Hi guys, today we will talk about how to create a Wattpad account. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is download the application from your Google or Apple store. Once you do, open the application, and once you will open it for the first time, you will see this kind of interface. Here you will see 4 different options. This one is sign up with Google, and the second one is sign up with Facebook. Or you can sign up with your email address. And if you already have an account, then click on this option and enter the username and password to log in with your previous account. If you don't have any account, then click on the option Sign Up, and you will back to the first page. Now you have to choose that account in which you want to create your Wattpad account, just like I want to sign up with my Google account. So that's why I will click on the first option, and it will start processing. I have multiple accounts, so I need to choose one for Wattpad account. Now it starts signing to Wattpad. Click on the option Continue to give access of your Google. Now scroll down and tap on the option Continue. As you can see, my account has been created, and it's the easiest way to create your account on Wattpad.